Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to hide your location on iPhone or iPad with the step-by-step guide. Way 1. Disable location services. Here, you can see another iPhone to track the change of your iPhone location. Just open Settings, tap Privacy and Security. Choose Location Services. Toggle it off. Now, you can see the iPhone location is paused. No location is found. Way 2. Enable airplane mode. Swipe down to access Control Center and tap the airplane mode icon. Soon, the internet is disabled. See, no LAN is connected, and the last known location remains visible. Way 3. Hide iPhone location with AnyLoca. With the help of this powerful location hider for iOS, you can change your location anywhere in the world and make your iPhone or iPad believe that you are in that place but actually not. Now let's open AnyLoca and hit the Start button. Then just select your iPhone and click the Next button. Okay, follow the instructions to open developer mode on your iPhone. Once activated, a map will show your location on iPhone. You have to select a location as you wish. Once the location is selected, just hit the Modify button on the sidebar. That's it. Now your location on iPhone has been changed. The real location is hidden without anyone know, right? That's all for the video. I will see you in the next